Biology is a fundamental science that explores life, so the origins of life, how it changes, how it adapts. So we look at everything from tiny cellular organisms and disease all the way up to big endangered wildlife and how populations and ecologies work together. In the first year, students study fundamentals of biology, including cellular biology, genetics, evolution, anatomy and physiology, and biodiversity. As they move through the course, they can get a little bit more specialized in the areas they're interested in. So they may choose more laboratory-based modules, such as microscopy, or they may choose more field-based modules, like tropical ecology.
The science facility here at the University of South Wales is mind-blowing. The equipment in the lab is outstanding.
Our Upper Glenteff campus has a number of well-equipped modern laboratory spaces. Our molecular biology lab, for example, students could work in conservation genetics. In our microbiology lab, students study things like antibiotic resistance. We're really lucky to be placed in South Wales because we have a beautiful laboratory right outside our door. Our students work in the Brecon Beacons, they work in the Gower, they go out to Pembrokeshire. We have loads of wonderful places for field work. In addition, this course has an optional residential field course in a tropical location. We're currently working in Mexico, where students do both tropical forest ecology and they also do a marine aspect. Students will have an opportunity to undertake either a short or a longer term placement between their second and third years in areas like healthcare, ecology, or natural resources.
We're a small group, so you're not just a number. The lecturers are quite approachable. The support here is really amazing. I will say University of South Wales is a home, is a family.
Our course is accredited by the Royal Society of Biology, which is the professional body for the biological sciences. This accreditation is important because it means that our course is of high standard, it's fit for purpose for today's careers. Our course has links with organizations like Natural Resources Wales, Welsh Water, and even the IUCN. These connections help feed into our course design and give students the best preparation for their careers. Assessment across the course is quite varied. We aim for authentic assessments that best replicate what students will do in their jobs down the road. So while there may be some traditional things like class tests or essays, they also do practical work. Many of the biology graduates go on to master's or PhD research. Others work in consultancy, they may work in laboratories, some join the NHS, a few even go to medical school. So the biology course is really a broad foundation that can lead to a number of different career paths. Our course has a perfect combination of theory, practical work, and field work. So this produces students who are well-rounded scientists, but they're also confident and curious.